Hello, friends!
Muraho abana.
Welcome to INSHUTI!
Today we are learning animals. In Kinyarwanda, animals are called
Inyamaswa.
Can you say
Inyamaswa. Inyamaswa.
Let's draw a cat. 2 ears, 2 eyes, a nose, and a tail.
Wonderful! Kids, clap!
Clap, clap!
Now let's draw a dog. Next, let's draw a cow. First, the body, a big oval.
Wow, it's big!
Now the head, legs, and a smiling mouth. And spots, you try.
Yay, we will!
Now let's draw an elephant. First, the big body. Now, large ears and a long trunk. And a friendly smile.
Yay, elephant!
Finally, let's draw a lion. We'll start with the head. Now for the big fluffy mane. And a big smile. Our lion is done! Cat,
Injangwe.
dog,
Imbwa.
cow,
Inka.
elephant,
Inzovu.
lion.
Intare.
Cat.
Injangwe.
Repeat.
Injangwe!
Dog.
Imbwa!
Repeat.
Imbwa!
Cow.
Inka!
Repeat.
Inka! Inka!
Elephant.
Inzovu!
Repeat.
Inzovu!
Lion.
Intare.
Repeat.
Intare! Intare! Intare!
Look at our beautiful animal picture. Great job, friends.
Nitwaye neza.
I'm Kiki, your friend.
Ndi inshuti yanyu.
See you next time on INSHUTI.
Murabeho.
You did it!
Yay, well done.
The drawing is so good!
You're the best. Thank you, my friends.
Clap, clap, clap! Hooray!